Today we'd like to make a Peppa Pig badge card. As we know, Peppa Pig is a world-famous animated cartoon popular among children. These are finished badge cards. Today we'd like to make one like this, the Peppa Pig badge card. First, we should prepare some materials and tools. The badges, the tool card, the OPP bags, a book seal, and the punching tools with the plate. First, we use the punching tools to dig the holes. We have printed the position of holes on the card. Now, we put the card into the OPP bag. Then, stick the adhesive band. Now, we fold the card head in the middle. Okay. Now we should stick it on the bag with the card. Well, 这个问题。Well done. So a Peppa Pig badge card comes out now.